Right, the new part's on. Has a larger hole in the steamer, and everything's working good. So we'll give her a real run through without any catches and anything like that. And try out the pressure profiler, right, from Tudor. Works pretty good. I've been getting, I've done a few, not a lot, just maybe 5. And mostly I'm getting 6 bars. You know, that's my usual how it feels. I did get up to 9 on one. But then again, actually the only ones I've done have been on a weird angle here. So just because I was filming. So after I run it a little bit, I may put Goldie up on the shelf for a little while and run this one, or you never know. But the pressure profile is working pretty good, and you know, it's fun to see what you have there. And so the whole machine is working pretty good now, and you'll be able to hear what the steam vent really changed. It did quite a bit with the larger hole put in there. At first I was worried I'd have a little leak. I thought it did, but then it kind of sealed itself maybe with just the heat. So everything's working good. All the seals are in there. And yeah. So anyway, I learned something with that, and with the 2 switch. And I think one of my other machines is kind of high pressure, so that may be the same thing there. But that all my other boilers have all been the fine thread, and this one is the coarse thread. So let's just do one for fun here. She's working really good. We're doing one. I usually do a little bigger cup, but I'm going to do this one, the big pull, and we'll just see how that works. Works pretty good. I'm at a weird angle, so this isn't like a full on ready to look at every little thing. The shot came together in the end a little bit off in the beginning, but I'm not going to worry about all that so much. But here we go. Let's have this thing come on up, and we will go ahead. And it takes a little longer to pre-infuse than the other ones, but I'm not really timing that, so we'll just go ahead and run it. I think we're just about ready, and go ahead and do it. It's going to give it that one tiny drip, huh? Right? Just wait that extra second, but it's a weird angle, so I'm just going to do it like this so you can, hopefully I'll have that other window come up, and I think we got a little over 6. I think once I have it set in the regular position, I'll be, not filming, I'll be able to see. But you know, it goes up near the end. But again, I'm kind of at a weird angle and kind of have a switch over here on the. There we are. That works good. See, once I got it right, we got the right flow. I was kind of boofing there, but yeah, look how it works really good. Everything turned out perfect. So now we will just be able to run it. I think I'll run it. I have kind of want to save it a little while, but I think we'll run it, and I'm pretty happy with it turned out, and we'll figure out another project after this, but this one worked great. Let's see how it steams milk. Too, that valve's working good. Let's give her a try. Doesn't really drip too much, a tiny bit, not much, so I think I did get a new gasket on there. But anyway, if you put a little bit of the 111, it tends to work pretty good. But get it to seal again, even if you don't want to go through the whole thing of pounding that handle off. But anyway, yeah, let's give it a little milk steam. Yeah, she works good there. Usually I do the milk first, then the coffee, but we're just doing an example here. So, yeah, there we go. Worked out great and really successful. So now we've made quite a few machines so far in the show, and we're going to have a lot more fun. We have some more dramatic things.
How is it?
Good. Here, do you want to try it? No sugar or anything.
Like
But it's the usual basket, but in a smaller mug.
Oh,
Stronger without the you.
yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Good, good.
Yeah, so it all worked good, and finally finished back in shape. And yeah, I did change. I went to both as the original handle, so they matched. I had the smooth one, and then, as you saw, I went into the bottomless. I just like that better than the original idea, but yeah, all working good. We got the larger hole, the original one set up for the 2 switch models, so that's good. little 2 switcher. So yeah, it really worked out good, and there it is. I guess the question is to run it for a while or just leave it all nice. But yeah, there it is, all finished after we did that whole thing. So that's pretty good. And yeah, there's Chewy again. He's the neighbor dog. But anyway, so it's a big success. Yeah, we learned something. It all works good. It has all the combos we wanted. Ended up coming up with the 2 gauges up here, but that's the way it was meant to be. So yeah, there it is. Pretty darn good. Not leaking. None of the leaks came out really. I thought I had one here, but it kind of stopped itself, and steam wand's just minutely off, but it doesn't leak, so I'm leaving it that way. That's its character, but everything else is new. And yeah, so next we're going to do another little restore on one of the machines. I think the white one is Candido. We're going to redo the base, and yeah, so it's pretty darn cool. And Espresso Classic, I'm putting up a lot of mocha pots, and people are buying up my little buttons, my little pins, I mean. So yeah, it's all good. And Oots is making a chocolate cake, like you saw, and so we're gonna have that. And I got the guard on and heating up for the night. There we go.